Alright, so today is Thursday 12th, and we out here with the boys them. With the boys. Check them now. Huh? What is that? A dinosaur? A dinosaur is still live there?
Yeah. Huh? It's the national treasure of Trinidad and Tobago. It's a pothole.
A pothole? That is, I feel like that is Trinidad natural land now. Pothole everywhere. So, we're going down to Blue Basin. Hey, we're going this way. This way.
Backwards and backwards.
So we're going down to Blue Basin. Blue Basin is a small little walk to the fall, and just gonna chill there today and take a little beat. So take a little few shots at the walk to it. The scenery. Look at these guys. So we will take it in now. Alright, so we almost reached. It's literally a 5 minutes walk to the waterfall, but walking, not hike, in our slippers now. And everybody basically in our slippers too, and? Yeah.
You outside?
Yeah. I have no idea what I'm talking about. Watch out, my video gonna get taken down and all kind of thing because of these clowns. But we just walking with we slippers out to this river, to this waterfall. Yeah. And we almost reach. Look, hey, anybody wanna stop by the kiddies pool? Hey kids, this is the kiddies pool, right? Under 18, you hit the kiddies pool. Hey, look, the kid, the big kid. And that's the waterfall right in the back there. So we're going out there now. And that's a wrap, guys. It's just a quick video of the waterfall. We heading back down, so now we're gonna get some food to eat or not, because we come up here early morning with no food. So yeah, just a quick video of the place and the trail and whatnot. So for anybody who wants to come and enjoy it and whatnot, I hope you like the video. Try to edit it as best as I could again and keep the content coming. I have plenty of videos again in the works. Eventually gonna invest in a nice little camera and outdoor camera as well, so I could go in the water with it and whatnot. So I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Don't forget, like, comment, subscribe. More content coming up soon. Sunday supposed to be going Marathon Waterfall. That one gonna be another adventure video. So I'll see you in the next one. Enjoy yourself. Keep it safe out there.